guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are good. Hi, my name is Celine. If you are new, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I will truly and greatly appreciate it. It's the red button right down there. It's absolutely free. YouTube won't charge you. I personally would not charge you, so please join my family. Let's grow this YouTube. Let's enjoy this journey, and yeah. So anyways guys, today I am coming to you with an eyebrow tutorial. I wouldn't really say that much has really changed about my eyebrows or how I do my brows, but I just wanted to quickly come and show you a few things that I've added to my eyebrow routine. Yes, so if you want to see how I do my brows, keep on watching. Okay guys, so I decided to come in closer so you guys see the brow process firsthand. So anyways, these brows are just going to be simple, easy brows, nothing too technical, and I'm going to be using a pencil today. So for my brows today, I'm actually using two pencils, two of my favorite pencils. I'm using the Davis eyebrow pencil. This is in 003, and this is the classic eyebrow pencil in brown. So basically I'm using these two pencils alternatively, but you can just use one pencil. Anyone that suits you is fine. So yeah, you can get any of these in Nigeria, or just any pencil that works for you. It's all good. So you need a spoolie, like my spoolie is attached to my pencil, but you can have those single spoolies. Let me see if I can have one. Okay, you can have either this or you can use either this. So either one works just fine for the brow. So any one you can get your hands on. Cool, just something to brush your brow hairs. So once I am done with those, you also need a brow gel to set the brows. So you can use this, you can use an eco styler. I've shown you a video where I used eco styler to actually set my brow hairs in place. I'm going to put the link up here, so anyone you can use. This is actually a tinted primer for lashes, but I like to use it on my brows because it's really nice. It's like a light brown, so I like to tend to use it on my brows too. So yeah, then this is an addition. This is the Pond's vanishing cream, vanishing or lasting oil control vanishing cream. So I like to add this on my brows, especially whenever I use pencils. It just helps to make the brows last a lot longer than just using the pencils all by itself. So guys, let's jump right into this tutorial. Let me just stop blabbing. So first off, I like to go in with the Pond's primer. I'm just going to do only one brow for you guys. So I like to just prime my entire brows with it. So once that is thoroughly absorbed into it, some people like to use powder like on top before they now go in with the brow products, but I don't really do that. So I just prime my brows first, pressing it into the skin. So once the eyebrows are prepped, I'm just going to go in with the first pencil, which is the classic pencil. It's a lot lighter than the Davis pencil, so I'm just going to take that first with the spoolie first, just brushing my brow hairs upward. Then the same mathematics here, here, and here. So that's where your eyebrows should start, where your eyebrows arc, and where your eyebrows stop. So from this point now, I'm just going to draw a line. So following the natural arc or the natural eye socket. This is the eye socket. So following that eye socket, it connects. Make sure that it connects to the eye socket here. Then it depends on how you like your brows. So that's the first line done. Second line, the top part. So just very light feather-like strokes. and that's it. So I'm just going to brush those hairs. So now I'm going into the darker pencil now. Sorry about the noise, my air conditioning is on and it makes a hell of noise. So anyways, taking the darker pencil, I'm just going, mostly using it at the tail end of the brows, because I like the tail end of my brows darker than the front part of my brows. So I'm just going to, using feather-like upward strokes. When you get to this part, just so going back again. So I'm just going to take this and just light upward strokes and brush. So that's it. So to clean up my brows, you naturally need concealer. So for today, I'm using this Nuban Beauty in My Skin concealer. You can use any concealer you like. So I'm just taking a little bit on the back of my hand, and so you can either use this type of brush. This is a flat tipped concealer brush. You can use something like this to clean up your brows, or you could use an angled brush. I don't know if I can find my angled brush. I can't find my angled brush, but you could use an angled brush depending on, or you could even use something like this to clean up your brows. So basically anything that has a very fine sharp tip like this is what you need to clean up your brows. So going into my concealer, so this color is quite light for me, so I'm just basically going to concentrate the color towards the ending of my brow area. So from here, I'm just going to start working my way down. So never rush your brows, just take your time, because for me, honestly, once the brows are done, every other thing is easy peasy. Like every other thing just flows. So yeah. So yeah, that is the tail end of my brow done. So once I'm done with that, I like to then go in with my foundation that I'm going to use. Whatever foundation I'm going to use for that day, I just take just a little bit of that foundation, then taking a bit of concealer and foundation, just mixing the two of them a little bit. I'm just going to drag that on the front part. So the front part is not as light as this outer part. So I'm just going to take my foundation and blend out this part. So I'm just going to use this brush and just blend out. So for the top part of my brows, I'm just going to use only the foundation. I'm not mixing with the concealer. So whatever foundation you're going to use that day, make sure it's only the foundation you use. So still taking that brush with my foundation on it, I'm just going to clean up the top brows, the top part of my brows. So my other video, I showed a really easy way if you're not fluid with your hands, if your hands can't really go fluidly. So just doing like stamp motions on top of the brow. You can angle your brush like this just doing stamp motions. Like that. So you just, if your hands are not fluid enough to just go once. So anyways, yeah, I'm just going to so even if you clean up some parts of the brows, it's not a problem. Just go back in with your pencil and put back those details. And voila. So now one last thing I like to do is I just take a little bit of my concealer and I kind of do like hair-like strokes just at the front part of my brows. Just really light strokes. Okay guys, so sorry my video cut off a little bit, but anyways, like I said, just taking your concealer, you're just gonna draw hair-like brush strokes on it. So once I'm done with those brush strokes, I'm just going to take my finger and just clean up the front part a little bit so it's not too long, but still making sure that it's in line with the tip of my nose. So once that is done, it's now time to set the brow hairs in place. You can basically use anything, like I said, Eco Styler gel. I've seen some people using Gorilla Snots for their brows. I've seen so many people use different things, so it depends on you. You can use any type of thing, any type of brow hold or gel hold or whatever to set your brows in place. So I'm just going to, this is just a clear eyebrow gel. I'm just going to set my brow hairs in place. So just brushing them towards the direction in which they are growing out of. So that's upwards and downwards, upwards and voila, there you have it. Okay guys, so there you have it. That's a nice cleaned up brow. So I'm just going to quickly do the second brow and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am back. My full makeup is done and these are the two eyebrows. Let me just push this hair aside. So the brows are done. Guys, don't always beat yourself up if your brows don't look the same. Like you hear this, like they always say brows are sisters and not twins. You know, they're never identical. There's no how you can always get your brows identical. So don't beat yourself up if they don't really look the same, but try as much as possible to get them to look somewhat similar to each other, so you know they can pass for sisters, you know. So yeah, I hope this eyebrow tutorial was really helpful. I hope you were able to get one or two things from this tutorial or from the eyebrow tutorial. And yeah, if it was helpful, if it was helpful, please comment down below in the comment section and just let me know what you liked best or what you think you add to your brow routine from my brow routine. And yeah, the tutorial for this makeup look will be on my channel probably after the brow routine or something, I don't know. But anyways, there is a tutorial for this makeup look. I was just experimenting and I wanted to do something really different, something really not the normal, not the conventional. I was inspired by this lipstick that I got recently. So but anyways, that's a video for another day. So guys, yeah, and off camera, sorry I forgot to show you guys, I then added this the tinted primer on my brows. Most times I usually like do it first. I would tint my, I'll add this first, like after applying this Pond's primer to my brows, I would apply this next and allow it to set or allow it to dry before I go in with my pencil or whatever brow product I'm using. But anyways, I decided to use that last. It really doesn't matter how, any which way you want to go with your brow routine, but yeah, that's it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video, subscribe please, I would greatly appreciate it. Like, your subscription is highly needed and it would help me so much on this channel. Yeah guys, till my next video, take care, stay blessed and stay beautiful. Bye.